So, Google AI Studio or Lovable.dev, which is better? In my opinion, neither is better. Each of these websites has its pros and cons. For example, let me show you an app or a website that I created. So this is my AI Studio account, and I created here a website that analyzes images, and after that it can tell you what is wrong with that images. For example, if I upload a photo right now, let me upload the photo that I generated with Midjourney. So now it's analyzing visual content and structure. Gemini is doing that. And you see that no artifacts detected. It says that no artifacts detected, yeah? But I made the same website, the same app on Lovable. It is the same. It is the same website, practically the same instructions. And if I upload here the same image, let's see what it says. It is analyzing with AI now. So it takes 2 seconds or so. So it says it has textural anomalies and object distortions, yeah? Google Studio says it has nothing. Lovable says it has some anomalies. So both uses Gemini, yeah? The API key that are using this, actually no, Lovable is using I think Lovable API key, and Google AI Studio is using Gemini or something API key. I don't know very well what are the technicalities of these sites, but so you see that practically a site says that has some anomalies, and the other side says that has not any anomalies at all. So the problems I encountered with Google AI Studio, you see also that I have some categories here of the image, and I have removed this category, yeah? So basically this button should remove the interiors category, but if I press it, nothing happens. So one thing that I saw that Google AI Studio is doing over and over again was that it was not fixing the errors, yeah? How many times I was trying to fix that errors, it was not doing that. You can say that I have an MVP right here, not fully functional, but I have a tool that I can use, yeah, a website that I can use. Now, it took a lot of prompts to do this, and this is an advantage, yeah, a pro of the Google AI Studio, that you don't have limits like Lovable. Yeah, in Lovable you can send 2 or 3 or 5 messages, and it says that 0 free credits remaining today, upgrade now. And you have to upgrade to a paid plan, so you can continue using Lovable. Google AI Studio is not like this. You can prompt again as many times as you want, or at least it doesn't impose me a limit as far as I use it. So limits are better on Google AI Studio. Now, what I did, and maybe advise you to do, what I did was to make my whole website, my whole website in Google AI Studio with all the prompts. And what I did after was to download the app. And after I downloaded my app, I went to Lovable, and you see here, I uploaded my downloaded app from Google Studio. Yeah. So basically, you download your Google Studio app and upload it to Lovable.dev, and ask Lovable to make the same application, the same website in Lovable. Why did I do this? Because in Google Studio is a pain for me. It was a pain to deploy the app. I have to select a cloud project or to create a new project. I have to set billing if I want an API key. I can create an API key, but somehow I did not managed to deploy my app on Vercel or Netlify. I tried on both and it just shows a blank screen. So if I go to here, I tried to deploy my app at this address and it just doesn't show it. And if I inspect it, gives here some in the console. I don't know what these errors are because I'm not a programmer. Yeah, I'm not a coder. I think I set an API key, but I don't know why it's not working. So what I did with Lovable was to recreate the same app. And now I have the same app here in Lovable. I just pressed this publish project, and now I have this published website that of course uses Lovable API key and cloud services. Yeah, I publish it very easy on Lovable. I could not do this with Google AI Studio, and Google AI Studio had many errors. Yeah, could not fix all the errors in Google AI Studio. So basically, this is my app. If you want to try it, I maybe will leave a link in the description below. I set a limit of 1 photo per minute because if many people enter and use it, the free plan that I am on now, it will not it cannot sustain all the people. Yeah, don't forget to like this video, and I have another video right here if you want to see how this website works